Hello, welcome. Watch me as I show you how I achieve this no leave out U-part wig from Outre from the collection Big Beautiful Hair. I got this in 14-inch in style Coily Fro in the color jet black. The way that the wig is structured, there's two comb in the front, one in the center, two on the side, and one in the back with the adjustable stripe. Uh, Usually I will wash my wig, but I know when it comes to synthetic hair, a lot of people don't wash it. And I really wanted to get this video out, so I did not wash the hair in this video, but I did wash it immediately after. Feel free to follow me on Instagram if you would like to see how the hair looks in the future. I purposely did the braiding pattern like this. I was actually inspired from another YouTuber. I will put her name on the screen. This method, it was really to mimic the knotless crochet method, and also to secure the wig itself. So the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below.